Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. WTI recovers API-led losses above $38 with eyes on EIA data. Risk tone http ntvforex.com news ID 5E68406 6 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. WTI NBSP bounces off $37.92 after snapping 5-day losing streak the previous day. Positive market sentiment ignores EIA's downbeat demand forecast. Official inventory data can follow the private stockpile report and recall the bears. WTI picks up the bids near $38.20 during the pre-Tokyo trading on Thursday. The energy benchmark bounced off the lowest since June 15 on Wednesday after the market's risk on mood dragged the US dollar index from one-month high. In doing so, the quote ignores downbeat demand forecasts from the Energy Information Administration EIA and weekly inventory data from the American Petroleum Institute API. USD moves matter the most. The EIA lowered its global oil demand for 2020 by 210,000 barrels per day BPD to 8.32 million BPD, while the API weekly crude oil stock, for the period ended on September 4, rose 2.97 million barrels from 6.36 million barrels of prior. While the updates offered the black gold's pullback from $38.68, the quote managed to close Wednesday on the positive side for the first time since September 1. The reason could be traced from the US dollar's weakness and the market's risk on sentiment. The US dollar index DXY snapped the 6-day winning streak the previous day, while the market mood turned positive amid talks that the European Central Bank ECB policymakers are more positive than anticipated and TikTok parent ByteDance talks to the US for help. Additionally, China's inflation numbers and the US JOLTS job openings were some extra reasons for the commodity mark the notable bounce. Earlier, the oil prices bear the burden of a flare-up in US-China tensions and scaling back of the OPEC output cut. Also recently exerting downside pressure were the price cuts by Saudi Arabia and Abu Dhabi. Moving on, risk catalysts can offer intermediate direction to the commodity ahead of the weekly EIA crude oil stocks change. Forecast 1.075 m versus 9.362 m prior. Technical analysis considering the quota's sustained bounce off a 100-day SMA level of $36.95, coupled with mostly oversold RSI conditions, WTI is expected to direct the recovery moves toward the July month low near $38.75 and $40 round figures. Additional important levels overview: today last price 38.09, today daily change 0.97, today daily change percent 2.61%, today daily open 37.12, NBSP trends daily SMA 2042.15, daily SMA 5041.49, daily SMA 10036.44, daily SMA 20041.67, NBSP levels previous daily high 39.59, previous daily low 36.43, previous weekly high 43.7, previous weekly low 39.61, previous monthly high 43.86, previous monthly low 39.75, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 37.64, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 38.38, daily pivot point S1 35.84, daily pivot point S2 34.56. Daily pivot point S3 32.69, daily pivot point R1 39, daily pivot point R2 40.87, daily pivot point R3 42.15, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.